Very high electric currents are used to quickly produce the resistance heat necessary for fusion. The three principal types of resistance welding are spot welding, seam welding, and projection welding. Spot welding refers to making welds one at a time between the electrodes. One, several, or many individual spot welds may be required, depending on the application. Spot welding, with the electrodes maneuvered by articulated arm robots, is commonly used to join sheet components of automobiles. In seam welding, coordinated pulses of electric current from rotating wheel electrodes produce a series of overlapping spot welds, resulting in a leak-tight welded joint. In projection welding, the welds are localized at predetermined points by projections, embossments, or intersections. Several points may be welded simultaneously,